Come and lie in Savasana. Take time to arrange yourself so that you are completely comfortable and able to stay in this position for the next 20 minutes. Be sure you have some cushion under your head for padding and a blanket to cover you if you feel at all chilled. Become aware of yourself lying down, your whole body lying down. Become aware of the room. Visualize the room you are lying in and listen to the sounds around you. Gradually, bring the sounds closer in until the sound of your own breath is in the foreground of your awareness, and everything else except my voice falls away. Invite the body to relax fully, cultivating a sense of deep inner stillness. Yoga Nidra is a meditative practice. The intention is to stay awake and follow along on an inner journey. If you find yourself falling asleep, gently draw yourself back to consciousness. Repeat to yourself now 3 times, I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I will stay awake. I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I will stay awake. I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I will stay awake. Resolve from within. Connect to a heartfelt intention or a positive resolve about yourself. Let the words formulate naturally in a simple phrase such as, letting go, I take this time to care for myself. You are welcome to use this phrase or work with one that emerges from within you. Repeat your resolve 3 times. Now we begin the rotation of consciousness by taking a trip through the different parts of the body. Imagine that you are lying back in a shady grove. The soft, moist grass beneath you, a light breeze brushing each part of your body as I name it, leaving it refreshed and invigorated. Move your awareness swiftly through the body, following along with my voice. Left side. Begin on the left side with the hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger, palm of the hand. Become aware of the palm, the back of the hand, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, rib cage, the left waist, the left hip, the left thigh, kneecap, the calf muscle, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the left foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, the second big toe, 3rd, 4th, and 5th toe. Feel the whole left side of the body fanned with the passing breeze, the moist earth cradling you. The right side. Moving to the right side. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger, palm of the hand. Become aware of the palm. the back of the hand, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, rib cage, the right waist, the right hip, the right thigh, kneecap, the calf muscle, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the right foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, second big toe, third, fourth, and fifth toe. Feel the whole right side of the body fanned with the passing breeze, the moist earth cradling you. The back side. Move your awareness to the back of the head. Let it sink to the ground, feeling embraced by the soft cushion of grass. Experience the sensation of moisture like dew trickling down the back of the neck, along the spine and across the back, around the buttocks and down the back of the legs. Front side. Now go to the top of the head. Feel the top of the head and forehead fanned by the wind. A refreshing breeze blowing down across the temples, the left eyebrow, right eyebrow, and space between the brows. Left eye, then right. The left ear, the right ear. Left cheek, right cheek. The nostrils, the tip of the nose, the upper lip, the lower lip, the chin, the throat, the left breast, the right breast, the heart center, the abdomen, the pelvis. A light gust brushing over your skin like a feather. Focus your awareness on the navel center, abdomen, the pelvic girdle. Let your attention gather there. Have a sensate awareness of the rise and fall of the belly with the breath. Notice a sense of spaciousness within the belly and spaciousness all around the belly. Within each breath, encourage a deep release and relaxation in the abdominal cavity. Surrender the weight of the body to the cool, embracing earth and let the flow of the breath, like the flow of the breeze, move within you and around you. Feel the coolness of the air as it brushes the insides of the nostrils and the back of the throat. As you breathe in, say the word silently to yourself, balance. Let the exhale be slow and deep. Feel the release of tension and say silently to yourself, calm, with each outgoing breath. Inhale, balance. Exhale, calm. As you breathe in and out, begin to imagine the inhalation breath first entering through the left nostril, and then the exhalation breath exiting through the right. Then inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left. Continue to breathe this way. Inhale left, exhale right, and then inhale right and exhale left. Inhale, balance. Exhale, calm. Experience the breath like an inner current, its confluence coursing through you, like the gentle wind, cleansing your insides, bringing complete balance and calm. Be aware of the content of your consciousness, just as it is, without any need to change or modify your experience. Relax and be with everything just as it is. Be aware of being aware. Bring your sensate awareness to your physical body, thinking to yourself, I have a body, and I am aware of this body. This body experiences different conditions of health and sickness, stress and relaxation. I have a body, and I am aware of this body. This body is an experience unfolding in my awareness. I have a body, and I am more than the experience of this body. I am aware of this body. Be aware of the emotions that come up and go through this body. I have emotions, and I am aware of these emotions. These emotions are experiences unfolding in my awareness, changing, sometimes contradictory, swinging from love to hate, from calmness to anger, from joy to sorrow. I have emotions, and I am more than the experience of emotions. I am aware of these emotions arising in the field of changing awareness. Be aware of the thoughts that run through the mind and are constantly changing. I have thoughts. I have a mind. But I am more than this mind filled with thoughts. Thoughts changing, chasing one another within this mind. I am the awareness that perceives this mind and its constantly changing conditions. Be aware of all objects in awareness, sensation, feeling, thought, and experience. Notice how each arises in the ever-present field of awareness. Say to yourself, I experience sensation, feeling, and thought. I am not separate from them. All of these move within the field of my awareness. I am the one who is aware of them. I am aware and distinct from these movements. I am the one who is aware. Now, tap into the sensate feeling of this. I am. Tracing the feeling of I am down from the brain and into the body. Locate and feel the bodily location of I am in the heart center, and rest in the heart as the feeling of pure awareness. Be with the experience of I am without judgment, free of any need to do or change. Simply be with the purity of I am, who is aware, abiding in a sea of awareness, a sea of consciousness. Return your attention to the flow of the breath. Inhale, balance. Exhale, calm. Feel the rib cage and belly expand with each inhalation breath and release with each exhale. Become aware of your body lying down. Become aware of the room around you, the sounds around you. Bring to mind the heartfelt prayer from the beginning of the practice, your own or the one offered earlier. Letting go, I take this time to care for myself. Repeat your resolve once again 3 times. Begin to gradually open your eyes. Let them open and close several times, rocking gently between the interior world and the exterior world. Allow the eyes to naturally come to focus and receive the light as they are ready. Then stretch your body, curling your knees to your chest and resting on your side for a few breaths before transitioning slowly. Yoga Nidra is now complete.